I'm going to show you two ways on how to get to Beanstack on the computer. The first way is going to our library website at carsoncitylibrary.org. Go to Discover Services and click on Summer Learning Challenge. This is the library's webpage on Summer Learning Challenge, so you can learn everything about this year's program requirements. You can click here to get to Beanstack. So this is the first way. The other way is just going directly to the website. You would just type in carsoncitylibrary.beanstack.org and it takes you to the Beanstack landing page for the library. You can register, sign in, it tells you how it works, and this year's new feature is a tracker. So our community goal is 250,000 minutes. And so when the challenge starts, we'll get to see people's progress.